Hello guys, today I'll show you how to do magic tricks. Watch my next video where I reveal them, and I'll only post the next video of revealness only if I get 40 likes. So get those likes going and you'll get the video. Ready? At the end of July it gets sometimes pretty cold, and I like to wear my beautiful scarf. But sometimes when I put on my scarf, right, and it gets really hot then. You know, Australia's weather is unpredictable. I like to take off the scarf, but I like to take it off my way. Watch this. I pull 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it comes off. Voila. Beautiful trick, isn't it? Also, the good thing about my scarf is that it can actually turn into something to cover the table with. Now watch. Next trick. As you can see down here, I put this, and I take a 10-cent coin. Normal 10-cent coin. See, I have short sleeves so you can't see it. Turn my hands over and I'm going to give it a little rub. Now watch. If you can see, yep, it disappears from this hand and it appears in this hand. Voila. Hello guys, this is how I get rich. This is a really simple way. Here is 10 cents. Yep. And I'm going to take the 10 cents and I'm going to keep on rubbing it. Watch. And if I keep on rubbing it, it turns into 20 cents. Wow. Hello guys. Here I have 3 balls. Okay? Don't be reminded. Now, if you just put them into view. Okay. Now I have 3 cups. I'm gonna put 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup. Okay? Now watch. 1 ball will go on top, and the other 2 will go on top as well. Now watch. These balls are pretty lonely because it took a friend, and watch, it comes down the bottom. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Pick any cup. Oh, I don't know. Meeny, miny, meeny, mo. Who can I pick? And let's see the cup that I pick. This one. Let's take this bowl and put it on top. Okay? Put this cup on top and this cup on top. This little bowl is even more lonely. He needs friends, so ta-da! He has 2 friends. That is the trick, cups and balls. Classic trick to do. Hello guys, do you believe in static electricity? Yes, but did you know that chicks have? Did you know that I have a magnetic field? Here's is a piece of paper, nothing else. And don't worry, my mouth is going to be closed. Okay? I'm going to try and use my magnetic fields to try and push this away. Okay, as you know, the best magnetic fields are on your cheeks. So I'm going to tap my cheeks 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to shoot it. It moves. But I can do it 1 time. 1, 2, it moves. 1, 2, moves. Now I'm turning around. 1, 2, moves. 1, 2, moves. How can that happen? I can do it all day. Ta-da. Guys, this trick is a trick that probably is one of my favorite tricks. It always fools anyone. Even the teachers that I did to, they said they'll pay me $5 just to know the secret. And believe me, they actually gave me. And I went and bought something. Well, this trick is called the coin through hand. Watch and learn. This coin is going to go through my hand, and don't worry, it's not a secret in the sleeves, okay? Some stupid people say that it's a secret in the sleeve. The sleeve is here, okay? I'm going to try and make this go through the sleeve. Watch. Oops. I'm going to try and make it go through the sleeve. Watch. And it's gone. Now watch, I'm going to try and make it reappear. But now, it's going to travel through my hand, come back here, oop, and it appears here. Now one more trick to do with the coin that I like is my simple trick. All you do is you take a coin. Before the magic begins, put the coin in his hand, and now watch. Take the coin and blow on it. No camera tricks, nothing in the elbow. It disappears. And what happens is that it appears. So one more time, put it in here, blow on it, disappears. You know, it's actually in his hand. Okay guys, this trick is not really a magic trick, but it's a really cool trick. All you do is you just take this like that. It's very simple. And then you just, I can tie this rope with one hand. There. You're probably suspicious that it fell on the floor, so I'll do it again. Yeah. It's tied. And all I have to do is just tighten it, and that's it. Do you want me to show you one more time? But guys, you'll only get the reveals that I'll show you slowly if we get 40 likes or 60 views. There, yeah, boom, boom, and oh yeah, and it's like that. You just pull it there. Yep. I'm going to take it like this. Yep, tighten it, and I'm going to pull it with my hand. I can actually pull the knot down this way, even pop it off. Blow on it, and it disappears. So guys, here I have a paddle. There are 2 dots on this side and 2 dots on this side. Okay, two dots. If you're not blind, you'll see there's 2 dots. Okay, and 2 dots on this side. Two. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna try and make 1 dot behind the bell. So I will need the assistance of this thing. There is nothing inside. Actually, you might get suspicious, so I'll just use this box. Nothing inside the box. This box, if I do this, turns to 1 dot. You can see 1 dot on this side, 1 dot on this side. How can that happen? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Two, 2. Okay, this last trick is, believe me, promise to God, cause my I hope to die. It's my most favorite. It's because it's so simple and it's just so easy. Promise to God. But it amazes people. One kid said that he'll kill himself if he doesn't say the secret. Will you show you? And now, believe me, I will tell you the secret. Relax. Okay, watch. Normal deck. No special things. No nothing. Don't worry, it's not a bicycle deck, it's just a normal deck. Okay. Nothing special about it. There's no dots, there's no nothing. Promise to God, cross my heart, there's no dots. I can give someone to study. Nothing will happen. Now, I'm gonna tell you this trick. You have to tell me when to stop, okay? So even on the computer, this is gonna be really random. So stop at any time. Stop. Take it out. Put it like that. This is the card that you look. Okay. I'll just show you the card. You can see. There's no mirror. Don't worry. I'm going to put it back inside. Put it down. Now watch. I'm gonna try and guess the card. It's a really big card, one of the biggest. It is the biggest. It's black. But, oh, I'm having trouble knowing what it is. Okay. I'm going to take my magic cardboard thingamajig. I'm going to ask it, what is the card? Yeah, it's a big card. It's an ace. It's the ace of clubs. Yes, it is the ace of clubs, isn't it? Thank you, weird piece of cardboard. And last but not least, mind reading trick. Pick any number between 1 and 10. Okay, got it? Now times it by 9. Now minus 5. Okay. Now you should have a 1-digit number. If you don't, if you have a 2-digit number, add the 2 digits in the number together. Add the 2 numbers in the digit together. So let's say if it's 35, you go 5 plus 3, which is 8. If it's, let's say 12, you go 2 plus 1, which is 3. So do that now. Did it? Okay, now you should have a 1-digit number. If you don't, do it again and keep on going until you have a 1-digit number. Okay, now take the number and make it the corresponding letter to the number in the alphabet. So 1, if you have the number 1, then that will be A. If you have the number 2, that will be B. C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, and so on. So you pick the letter. Now forget about the number. Just think of the letter, okay? Now just remember the letter. Now think of a country in Europe that starts with that letter. You might need some help with that, so just think of it. And don't go computer because that's cheap. Just think of any that starts with that letter. Any country. You might need to pause it. Okay, picked it. Now take the second letter of the country and think of an animal. A 4-legged animal that first pops in your mind. The first comes in your mind, the 4-legged animal. Okay, you got that? Now think of the color of the animal. Yep. Now I'm gonna try and guess it. It is a grey elephant in Denmark, isn't it? Bye bye and see you later.